Okay, we're gonna try a power test. Cleaned these contacts. It was pretty black. Used the burnishing file and some deoxide gold and got most of it off pretty good. With some Kim wipes to clean it. And there's no question that it was dirty because they were black, and that came off the contacts inside that RF relay. Okay. Yeah, let's go to 2. Okay, power on, and radio is on at 5 watts at 432. About 70 watts. Repeatable now. Before it was 70 to 90 watts initially, and now and then it was only 50. This is repeatable somewhat. Rather interesting how it changes by a few watts. I don't know why.